Financial freedom. Everyone wants to talk about it, but very few understand how to actually get there. Here at Money Talk Show TV, our mission is to empower people all around the world to begin making better financial decisions overall. We help aspiring investors secure a better future for themselves by teaching them timeless skills like buying and selling stocks. If you're looking to build a steady, passive income stream or even retire early, we can help you get there. What we offer is guidance to get you well on your way to financial security. We believe everyone deserves to be free, and this is only possible if your finances are in order. What we do is educate the investors of tomorrow to use their money wisely today so they can see a better life in the future. The benefits of owning stocks are endless, from having more free time to doing the things you love, to having security and stability. Investing in your future pays huge dividends. This company was formed by an ex-Army veteran with an entrepreneurial spark. They lost their job due to the pandemic and were forced to live off dividends to save their wife and 5 sons from poverty. After realizing the power of owning assets to grow their family wealth, they made it their mission to help as many people around the world reach the same level of financial freedom they are blessed with. The company's vision is to inform as many people as possible on the benefits of investing and help them dig themselves out of any holes of debt that they're currently in. We believe anyone can grow their wealth, and it doesn't take years of training. See us as your right-hand man to wealth growth. We are building a like-minded community of people that want to say no to living paycheck to paycheck. We want people that say yes to true financial freedom. Our team of money coaches work tirelessly to provide you with the best Our team of money coaches work tirelessly to bring you the most cutting-edge information on investing in assets so you can begin improving your financial future. Start today with just your email to get updates on how to start your journey towards financial freedom. I hope to see you there.